In this video, we're going to learn how to insert a specific number of rows into an existing table. Before we go any further, click on the Home tab and click on the Show Hide tool. In this example, I want to insert 200 extra rows into the middle of the table. Click in a blank area of the document and insert a new blank table. Click on the Insert tab, click on the Table drop-down arrow and select Insert Table. Specify the number of columns and rows and click OK. In this example, I'll insert 4 columns and 200 rows. Select the new table, right-click and select Cut. You can also cut the table by pressing the Ctrl and X keys on your keyboard. Click into the area of the table where you want to insert the additional rows. Right-click and under Paste options, select Merge Table. The specified number of rows have now been inserted to the existing table. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more.